In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Miro board using Talktrack. Let's dive in and explore everything you'll need to do to make your recording successful and smooth. First, you'll want to navigate to Miro.com. This is where your creative collaboration journey begins. Once you're on the Miro homepage, the next step is to click on the login option. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the web page. It's a straightforward step, simply guiding you towards accessing your account. After clicking login, you're going to sign in using either your email or your Google account. Both options are secure and you can choose the one you're most comfortable with. For those who select email, you'll click on continue with email. If you opt for Google, you may need to provide some permissions, but it gets you into Miro effortlessly. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where all your magic happens. You'll see your boards displayed and you'll need to click on the board you wish to record. This step is vital because you have to be on the exact board that you plan to make a talk track from. In the upper right corner of your board, you'll see the option to record and watch talk tracks. This button is your gateway to creating engaging presentations. Go ahead and click on it. With that done, select Record Talk Track. This is where the creativity flows. Now, before you hit the Start Record button, there's a bit of setup you'll need to handle, starting with your camera. You'll want to ensure it's set up correctly. If you're not comfortable using your webcam or simply prefer not to be on camera, there's an option to select None. This allows you to record audio only, which can be perfect for more voice-focused explanations. Equally important is setting up your audio. Whether you're using the built-in microphone or an external device, ensure your sound checks are done. This guarantees that your viewers won't miss a word of what you're saying. Once your camera and audio are set, you're ready to start recording. Click on Start Recording and begin walking through your board. Share insights, ideas, and explanations as you navigate through your board. When you've covered everything you need, it's time to wrap up the session. To stop the recording, simply click Stop Recording. It's a good idea to double check and ensure everything you wanted to record has been captured. Finally, you can watch your talk tracks by clicking on them. This helps you review your content and make any necessary adjustments for future recordings. It also provides a great way to ensure your message comes across clearly to your audience. And there you have it, you're all set to create and share engaging talk tracks using Miro and Talktrack. Enjoy presenting and capturing your ideas with ease and professionalism.